Now you are watching SmartWatch K88H smartwatch track wristwatch Bluetooth heart rate monitor pedometer dialing smartwatch phone for Android. And there it is, high quality camera. Long battery life. 128 MB RAM. Professional waterproof. Screen size: 1.22 inch. 300-450 ampere battery. Now I will show you some more features of this watch. Let's go. It's super slim smartwatch. High resolution IPS screen with full angle view, professional heart rate monitor. Siri and voice control function, voice calls, Siri and voice talking, real-time step count, monitor distance, speed, time, steps, calorie consumption to reach your health target. Enjoy your sport at any time, anywhere with Altitas pedometer. Core function: fashionable, classic, input, call records, up pedometer, phone book 1117 3 heart rate monitor, time information, looking for mobile phone, sleep monitor, help to monitor your sleep quality, make sure under healthy sleep, with kind alarm to wake you up, sleep monitor, sedentary remind, 70% people are in subial status, keep sitting for a long time is the main reason, 40% choose sitting is unhealth. We need to change the unscientific life mode. Bluetooth music, Bluetooth 4.0 with K88 smartwatch. You can enjoy the music at any time, anywhere. Music is always with you. Sync messages, check all your mobile phone SMS, Facebook, WeChat, WhatsApp message on the watch at any time, anywhere when you are not available to check the mobile phone. 2 UI interface for optional. Fully compatible with all mobile. Band material, stainless steel. App download and multiple dials, 4 color available. What happened after seeing so much? What do you think about the price? The price is very cheap, only $41. Now, are you interested in this watch? So no longer late. Right now click the link here in description. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.